figure, EFA equals to 90, triangle FGB is equilateral, find y minus 2x. See this, EFA equals to 90 and triangle BGF or FGB, you can call it anything. This is equilateral, means all the three sides are equal, BG, GF and BF. In triangle FGC, see this is given as 90. So in triangle FGC, 90 plus this angle is 60. Why? Because equilateral triangle. FGC is equilateral, so all angles are 60. Plus x equals to 180. So you can find out x now. 90 plus 60 is 150. Minus from this, so it becomes 30. X equals to 30. Now we have got x. Now this angle BFG equals to 60 because equilateral triangle. So what is BFG? A plus x. This is A and this is x. So A plus x equals to 60. So we get A then. A equals to x. Take x on this side. So 60 minus 30. X we have already got 30. So 60 minus 30, 30. A equals to 30. Now A plus y equals to 90. Why? Because it's already given. EFA equals to 90. So A plus y equals to 90. So y equals to what? Take this side. A on this side. So 90 minus 30. That is 60. Now you have got y. You have got x. So just solve y minus 2x. Y minus 2x equals to 60 minus 2 into what is x? 30. The 60 into 60. 30 into 2. 60. So 0. Y minus 2x